Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the problem number 1578. Minimum time to make rope colorful. This is the today's daily problem. And first of all, we are going to read the problem. What is the problem is saying? Alice Alice has n balloons arranged on a rope. Okay, you are given zero indexes string colors where color I is the color of ith value. Okay, तो हमारे पास like we have given a string color and a needed time array. Okay, so Alice wants the rope to be colorful. She doesn't want two consecutive values to be same color. Okay, so Alice doesn't want that two consecutive values will have the same color. Okay, so she will try to remove them. So she asks Bob for help. Bob can remove some balloons from the rope to make it colorful. You are given a zero indexes integer array needed time where needed time I is the time in seconds that Bob needs to remove the ith value from the rope. Return the minimum time Bob needs to make the rope color. Okay, so we will see the first example. Like this is the balloons arranged in a straight row. So here we are seeing that we can see that two blue balloons arranged consecutively. So we have to remove one of them. So if we are removing any balloon, like if we are removing first balloon, it will take 1 second. If we will remove second balloon, it will take 2 seconds. If we will remove third, it will take three. So this is like how we can remove the balloons. Okay, so we have to minimize the time. So we will remove the minimum that balloon which will take minimum time to remove. Okay, so in this there are two consecutive balloons. You can see that third balloon has the time 3 and the fourth balloon has the time 4. So we will remove the third balloon because uh, it has the minimum time. Okay, so like in this problem you can see that there is no consecutive balloon, so we don't need to remove any. Here we can see that two blue balloons are consecutive. Here also two blue balloons are consecutive. So we will remove in this we will see that one is the lowest time, so we will remove the one first first balloon, and in last two balloons there is a index 4 balloon. This balloon is uh, lowest time, so we'll remove that. Now we will see dry run. If we see the topic of this question, it is showing that it's a dynamic programming question, but we can also solve it by using two pointers and greedy. Okay, so we are going to use the two pointers. But first of all, we will take a example. Like we will take another example where this is a A B B B A B B B B. So we are going to do a dry run, and the array will be 3, 5, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 4, 8, 1. So this is 4. The one thing. Yeah, we can write it here. 8 and 1. Okay. So you can match it the index wise. So basically what we are doing that we are taking two pointers, L and R. Uh, I'm taking start the this is L and this is R. Okay. So we will take a while loop where R will go from 1 to n minus 1. Let the length of this string will be n. Then R will go from 1 to n minus 1. We will check first of all if if color of color of L and R is equals or not. If both the colors are equal, okay, then we will update. Then we will take a answer, and we will add needed time. Yeah, needed time, needed time. Like if see in this diagram, here is a both are equal. So we'll go here and check which one is smallest. So like 3 is small. So this is L. So we will take L here, and our answer will be 3. Okay. Now we will update our now we will update our L and R. Okay. Now this will be L and this will be R. You can speed up the video. Okay. Yeah. So so what we what we first check that if the color of L is equal to R. If both are equal, then we will check that which one is minimum. Okay. If L is minimum, then we will add L in the answer and increment the indexes. Okay. Then how we increment? We will increment L is equals to R and R plus plus. Okay. Okay. Why we are doing that? We will see further. So basically I am here, and now we will check again. So now we are at that point 5 and 10. Now you can see that here also L index is low. Then we are adding it to answer and increase L is equals to R and R is equals to R plus plus. Okay. So so we will do like that. This is L and this is R. This is R. Okay. Now now this is not equal. L is not equal to R. So here we will update it. L is equals to R and R plus plus. Okay. Why we are updating like that? You will see in further in this example also. Okay. So this is So this is our L and this is our R. Now you can see that both are equal. Okay, then B equal to B. Then we will see now see in this. No, no, in this 5 and 7. Okay, which one is small? 5 is small. Okay, now 5 we will add 5 to in our answer and look at here. We will take L as it is for now. Okay, and increase the R by 1. Okay, now we can see that R L colors of L is equal to R colors of R and now we will compare with this and this which one is lowest. So 3 will lowest, so we will add 3 in the answer and now move to another index. Again again R is lower, then we will update it. Now R is here. Now you can see that color of L is not equal to color of R, so we will update is like that. L is equal to R and R plus plus. Okay, so this is our L and this is our R. Now this is not again also equals, so we update it. L equal to wait, sorry, there will be a yes. Now we update L equal to R and R plus plus. Now you can see here this is 5 and 4. So again you can see that R is lower, so we add 4 and increase R. Okay, increase R and take L as it is. Okay, now here again color of L is equal to color of R. So again we have this is L, this is L index and this is R index. So which one is lower? This L index is lower, so we're gonna add 5 and update the indexes like L is equal to R, L is equal to R and R plus plus. So this is going to be our L, this is L and this is R. Okay, now see here, this is our R, this is L and this is R. Which one is lower? One is lower, so I am going to add 1 and and update the LNR. So basically, L will be L is greater, so L will be there as it is, and R will be increased by 1. So R will going here, and this will where R is equal to size of color, or R is equal to and our while loop ends. Now if we sum this, so 3 plus 5 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 16 plus 4. Yeah, 20 plus 5, 25 and plus 1, 26 will be the right answer. Okay, so now basically you have seen the dry run. Now we will code for this. We will take a low from 0, R from 1 and size of color size. Take a integer answer and take a while loop while r less than n. Okay, but we'll check first. We'll check color of colors of L is equals to colors of R. Okay, if they are equal, then we will check that if needed time, if needed time of L is less than needed time of R, then we gonna add answer like that L and update the L. L is equals to R. Okay, okay. And if else condition will be like that, L will be as it is and R will increase by 1. Okay, then we will add the answer like that. We will add our position as the answer. If if the both colors are not equal, then L is equal to R. Okay, and in all condition R plus plus. Return answer. If I am making any mistake, let me check. Yeah, yeah, it is in this question, in this just in this test case, I am making a mistake. We have to take a else condition also. Basically, if the both colors are not equal, okay, then we will take another condition and then equals to R. Okay, now R plus plus C2 for entire. Now we will submit, and you can see that this is our code and it is accepted. So this is for this question. You can say that it is a two-pointer question and we can solve it very easily. So thank you.